video.
Sige. Sige.
Sige.
I'll be in your video. Send it to me, okay?
Okay.
Sabihan mo si daddy mo, kakain pa raw to.
Nare-record na video.
Sige. Sige.
Sige.
I'll be in your video. Send it to me, okay?
Okay.
Sabihan mo si daddy mo, kakain pa raw to.
Nare-record na.
What is this?
Today we're gonna be trying some snacks. And some Japanese food. Chicken teriyaki.
She really has a love for this, huh?
Okay,
Fun fact,
first,
I tried one of these in Japan.
first
It's,
this one.
it's pure as it gets.
First, let's open this.
First, let's open this topic bowl. You're really cute, man. You are very cute.
Wala daw eh. Muna daw siya. Sa labas mo. Habang nag-iingas.
I don't have the nails for this.
Use your nails.
Ikaw nga. Kung pala yung may mahabang buko dito, yung kasi nabuhat mo. Ah, ito.
Oh, same.
Style.
Chicken teriyaki. This is the chicken teriyaki, guys.
Oh,
Look at
Hot.
that. It's hot.
Sky.
Let's try the teriyaki first.
Ito na, Sky.
Let me get a bite of that teriyaki.
It's good.
It's good.
Mm-mm.
Kumari lang.
Kunwari, balik mo.
I'm done. Thank you.
Hindi mo ka masarap sa Parang pala, Sky ah.
Sakto lang. Can I go out now? Sky, let me try this. What's this?
Init. Grabe yung tayo ko.
Wait a
Chicken,
minute.
Sky.
What the heck
Like
is
the ano.
this? Shouldn't be sneaky stardust. You know what this should be called? Freaky stardust.
Look at that. It's
Ano ba itong sense?
Depende sa mo.
i-rate mo yung chicken teriyaki.
I would rate it a 10 out of 10.
Me too.
6.